How to set data roaming on Xiaomi Redmi 13C mobile phone. And okay guys, here in your mobile phone, go to settings. In settings, go to mobile network. In mobile network, scroll down and below you can see the data roaming. So connect to data service when roaming. So you can tap this. Here in data roaming, you can see the international roaming. So the international roaming is set into never. So you can set this by tap the international roaming and you can see the option. You can set into always for exception only, or you can set into never. And for my example, I set into always. And the pop-up below I show, and you can see the turn on button here. So you can tap the turn on button. And now you can set the daily data limit. So you can set daily data limit while roaming by switching on the switch button on the right side. So you can set this by switching on, and the size. So you can set this, for example, 2 gig, tap OK. And when exceed warm and turn off mobile data. So you can tap this to set. So okay, you can set into show warning, and that's it. Okay, we have successfully set the data roaming on Xiaomi Redmi 13C mobile phone.